Hi friends, in this video, I'll be showing you how to crop in DaVinci Resolve. It's really easy, really straightforward. So for example, we have a clip here that I want to crop. Maybe I want to make it look a little more vintage by reducing the aspect ratio, or maybe I just don't like some objects in the scene. All we have to do is go to our transform menu here at the bottom left of our preview window and make sure it's set to crop. Gonna click it, and here we can adjust what elements are in the video. So let's say I want to remove that post and focus on the bridge. I'm going to adjust the borders of the box, making sure I'm satisfied with it, then clicking crop. But it's not exactly centered. So what we can do is we can change its position here in the inspector or using the transform tool. But I usually just like to use the inspector because it's a lot more accurate. Especially if you have shaky hands, you might end up messing the position up, and it's just gonna take a little bit of extra effort to fix that. So let's try putting it about there. I think that's centered, and yeah, there, that looks pretty good. So you might want to crop for a stylistic choice, like I said, to achieve a more vintage look, or just to sort of focus in on the subjects a bit more. That's it. Cropping in DaVinci Resolve is really easy to do. I hope you were able to learn how to, and I'd like to thank you for watching.